Welcome to Kerala PSC Prep. Today's study notes cover Fundamental Rights, Articles 14 to 32. Deep dive with landmark cases. Complete notes on fundamental rights in the Indian Constitution, Articles 14 to 32, each right explained with exceptions and landmark Supreme Court cases. Kerala PSC Graduate Level Exam Essential. 1. Overview. Feature. Detail. Part of Constitution. Part 3. Articles 12 to 35. Borrowed from USA Bill of Rights. Originally 7 fundamental rights, now 6. Right to property removed by 44th Amendment, 1978. Continuing 1. Overview. Enforceable against. State, Article 12 defines state. Enforced by Supreme Court, Art. 32, and High Courts, Art. 226, can be suspended during emergency. Yes, except Articles 20 and 21, cannot be suspended even during emergency, per 44th Amendment. 2. The 6 fundamental rights. Right. Articles. Right to equality. 14 to 18, right to freedom. 19 to 22, right against exploitation. 23 to 24. Continuing to the 6 fundamental rights. Right to freedom of religion. 25 to 28, cultural and educational rights. 29 to 30, right to constitutional remedies. 32. 3. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. Concept. Meaning. Equality before law. No person is above law, British origin, rule of law, AVDIC. Equal protection of laws. State shall treat equals equally, American origin, 14th Amendment. State shall not discriminate on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. Continuing 3. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. Exception. State can make special provisions for women, children, socially backward classes, SC Cent. Equal opportunity for all citizens in government jobs. Exception. Reservations for backward classes, Art. 16. 4. Residence requirements for state posts. A. Untouchability abolished, its practice in any form is an offence. Continuing 3. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. Protection of Civil Rights Act, 1955, originally Untouchability Offences Act, 1955. SC Cent Prevention of Atrocities Act, 1989. State shall not confer titles, except military academic distinctions. No Indian citizen can accept title from foreign state without President's consent. Continuing 3. Right to equality, Articles 14 to 18. Note. Bharat Ratna, Padma awards are not titles, Supreme Court clarified. 4. Right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. Freedom. Article. Speech and expression. 19. 1a. Assembly, peacefully, without arms. 19. 1b. Association, form unions, cooperatives. 19. 1c. Continuing 4. Right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. Movement throughout India. 19. 1d. Reside and settle in any part of India. 19. 1e. Practice any profession, trade, business. 19. 1g. Romesh Thappar v. State of Madras, 1950, freedom of press is part of 19. 1a. Continuing 4. Right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. Maneka Gandhi v. Union of India, 1978, Article 19 and 21 are interconnected, procedure must be. Shreya Singhal v. Union of India, 2015, Section 66 of IT Act struck down as violating 19(1)(a). Protection. Meaning. Ex post facto law. No person punished for act that was not offense when committed. Continuing 4. Right to freedom, Articles 19 to 22. Double jeopardy. No person punished twice for same offense. Self-incrimination. No person compelled to be witness against himself. Right to livelihood, Olga Tellis v. Bombay Municipal Corporation, 1985. Right to clean environment, MC Mehta v. Union of India. And 10 more in the full notes at keralaprep.com. 5. Right against exploitation, Articles 23 to 24. Begar, forced labor without payment, prohibited. Human trafficking prohibited. Exception. State can impose compulsory service for public purpose, military conscription, etc. No child below 14 years employed in factory, mine, or any hazardous employment. Continuing 5. Right against exploitation, Articles 23 to 24. Child Labor, Prohibition and Regulation, Act, 1986, amended 2016. 6. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25 to 28. Article. Right. 25. Freedom of conscience, free profession, practice, and propagation of religion. 26. Freedom to manage religious affairs, establish institutions, own property. 27. No person compelled to pay taxes for promotion of any religion. Continuing 6. Right to freedom of religion, Articles 25 to 28. 28. No religious instruction in state-funded institutions. 7. Cultural and educational rights, Articles 29 to 30. Article. Right. 29. Any section of citizens with distinct language, script, or culture has right to conserve it. No denial of admission to state-aided institutions on grounds of religion, race, caste, language. 30. Minorities, religious or linguistic, have right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice. State cannot discriminate while giving aid. 8. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Writ. Meaning. Habeas corpus. Produce the body. Mandamus. We command. Prohibition. To forbid. Continuing 8. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Certiorari. To be certified. Quo warranto. By what authority? Feature. Article 32 SC. Court. Supreme Court. Continuing 8. Right to constitutional remedies, Article 32. Scope. Only fundamental rights. Right itself. Fundamental right cannot be suspended except during emergency under Art. 359. For complete notes with tables and more details, visit keralaprep.com. Take quizzes and earn mock tests. Join our Telegram channel at keralaprep26 for daily updates.